Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to use USB Pendrive as additional RAM on any Windows computer. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to insert your USB Pendrive on your computer. Now I have inserted my USB Pendrive onto my computer. So what you need to do next is you need to click on this PC, and you can see here my USB pen drive. So I'm using a 32 GB USB pen drive. You can use any size USB pen drive, whether it's a 16 GB, 32 GB, 8 GB or 4 GB, depending upon what size of USB pen drive you have. So now next what you need to do is just right click on this USB pen drive, and you can see here format. You need to format it first, whether it's totally empty or not empty, just do it. And before proceeding further, you can see here NTFS. Note down that it should be in the NTFS, not in the FAT. So you must select in the NTFS format here. You can see here there is different versions, but it should be NTFS. So if it is in FAT32, then select the NTFS and start quick format. Now you can see the format has been completed. Just click OK, click close. Now your USB pen drive has been formatted successfully. Now next what you need to do is just right click on this USB pen drive, and you can see here below properties. Just click on it. Now under this properties, you can see here ready boost. Just click on it. Now wait for a few seconds, it's calculating. So you can see here you will get the three options: don't use this device, dedicate, and the last option you can see here, use this device. You can select it, and you can use the enter space of your USB pen drive as an additional RAM for your Windows computer. So here I'm keeping SD port. I'm using the completely space of my USB pen drive, so I'll be keeping as it is. You can increase or decrease by sliding this line, but I'm keeping as it is. And after you are done, you need to click on apply. Just click on it, wait for a few seconds. Now you're done. Now click OK. Now you can see here a red line has been shown, that is complete space has been used up almost. Now that's it. Now your USB pen drive is acting like the additional RAM for your Windows computer. This is very useful if your PC is very old and you don't have much RAM. That is, if your PC is running on 2 GB or 4 GB RAM and you are using some heavy softwares like Photoshop or any other heavy softwares which uses a lots of RAM, then you can use this kind of tricks to give additional RAM by using your USB pen drive. So in my opinion, it's a very cool tricks to increase your RAM using your USB pen drive. In my opinion, you should definitely try this cool tips. And the next thing you need to do is, so suppose you don't need or you don't want to use it anymore as an additional RAM, then just right click on this pen drive again, go to the properties again, go to ready boost again. Now you can see here option don't use this device. Just click on it, click apply, wait for a few seconds and click OK. Now your pen drive is free again. So before removing your pen drive, please note that you do this second step before removing your USB pen drive, and I would highly suggest you to do this second step if you're removing your USB pen drive and you don't want to use your USB pen drive anymore as an additional RAM. So if you find this video information useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.